Hey everyone, welcome back to our tech tutorial series. Today, we're tackling something super useful: how to change the language on Microsoft OneNote in 2025. Whether you're a student, professional, or just someone who switches languages frequently, this quick guide will have you set up in no time. OneNote is a fantastic tool for note-taking, and customizing its language settings can make it even more accessible. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of OneNote installed on your device. For 2025, Microsoft has made the interface even more intuitive, so updates might be seamless. Start by opening the OneNote app on your computer, tablet, or phone. Once it's launched, look for the gear icon in the top right corner. That's your settings menu. Click on it to open the options. Next, scroll down until you find the Language or Regional Settings section. In the 2025 update, this is prominently featured for better accessibility. Click on it, and you'll see a list of available languages. OneNote supports dozens, from English and Spanish to Mandarin and French. Select the language you want by clicking on it. Don't worry, you can always switch back later. After selecting your preferred language, hit the Apply or Save Changes button at the bottom. OneNote might take a moment to restart or refresh, especially if it's a major language change. Once it's done, open a new note and voila! Everything should now be in your chosen language, from the menus to the keyboard suggestions. One quick tip: if you're using OneNote on multiple devices, remember to change the settings on each one for consistency. This feature is great for global users, helping you work efficiently no matter where you are. If you run into any issues, check Microsoft's support page or leave a comment below. We're here to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit that bell icon. What's your favorite OneNote feature? Let me know in the comments. See you next time.